Hello everyone. Let's start practice English conversation with us. The topic in this video is meeting an old friend. So you can practice with us. Now you can stand by Steph and us stand for Johnson. Yes. Already? Let's start.
I had lunch with Sue today. Yes, we bumped into each other at the store. Yeah, she moved back last month. I'm single now, so I asked her on a date. Yes, we have more catching up to do.
Yes, that's all for this conversation today. Yeah, thank you. So you can practice again and again with this video. If you don't catch up the point, you can practice again with this video. Yes, thank you. Goodbye.